Are you dreaming of a thriving fall garden in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. You can easily start and grow a fall garden using raised beds. Leafy greens are excellent choices for fall gardening. Today, we're diving right in to the wonderful world of kale, collards, and parsley. Hey, welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're having an overcast day today, and so I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and plant some seeds. I was able to connect one of these hoops. I've got a couple more to do. So as I'm out here planting my fall seeds, I have to be very careful. It's still warm out and we still have a lot of pests out here, so I definitely want to make sure that I'm protecting my baby seedlings. Is that a frog? Ooh, I was getting ready to hightail it up out of here. See, they got legs and they jump. I don't play that. So I came out here the other day. My raspberry bush has been trimmed back. Get off of me. So it's not as full. You can see there's some spots here, but we're gonna fill them in. Garden still looks great. Still have a lot of green. We've got to get ready for fall. It's an overcast day. I'm here in Maryland Zone 7B. Based on the weather forecast, we are about to get some rain. So this is the perfect time to come out here and plant some seeds for fall. Fall gardening preparation. The Shishito peppers are finally getting some color on them. I've been waiting like all summer to let them go ahead and turn red. They look amazing. They look terrific. White Shasta daisies. This is the mother plant here. I dug several of them up and planted some here. All right, I was doing all of that talking and didn't realize my mic was not on. Just preparing the soil here. What I want to do here, I'm going to do some kale. I love lacinato kale. I'm loving this little new tool of mine here. Got it off Amazon. Still got these eggs here in the garden. I'm planting 3 powerhouse plants that thrive in raised beds. One of the benefits of planting in the fall is that it enhances the flavor of your vegetables, sweetened by cool temperatures and light frost. Sprinkle a few in. And just spread them out a bit. A little soil, not much at all. Well-draining soil is crucial for growing your fall veggies. And we have germination. And just a few days later. Okay, so next up are the collard greens and parsley. Let's get these planted. The moringa looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. And that's the new growth there. Still have some tomato plants here. I didn't pull all of them out, but I did pull out a good amount of my plants. I got a lot done the other day. I was yanking and pulling all sorts of things out. Yeah, all of this. Pulled out wormwood that was here. It was taking up a lot of space. Doggone, get out of here. These pests are on my nerves. These ground cherries, they're falling, and that's how you know they're ready, when they fall to the ground. So I'm gonna eat these up too. So good. Nice little pineapple-y little flavor to them. So good. Nice little burst in your mouth. Little pop of flavor. Look what I just found. Isn't that pretty? Get all of this soil prepared over here. For the fall garden. Loosen it up a bit. place to start some seeds here. Put some black cow in here too. I have a bag of that. There's a worm there. That's a good sign. Sunlight. Sunlight is key. Plant your fall garden in a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. So I'm mixing some black cow along with some, they're basically decomposed leaves. How pretty that is. Nice, dark, rich organic matter. Just gotta break it up. It's been sitting in the bag over there. So I'm just getting it all mixed up before I add it to my raised beds. When fertilizing, amend your soil with compost or well-rotted manure. So I'm giving it a scoop. A scoop goes a long way. This should be done before planting, and also consider using a well-balanced fertilizer. We're going to do the Morris heading. Lots of collards for the fall. And I'm just sprinkling them about. Guess what? I'm going to even add some parsley in here. Let's see. Okay, so parsley is a cool season crop in my area, Maryland Zone 7B. And so, of course, you know, when you're planting in these hot August temps, you know, there's a chance that things may not go well. But you know how we gardeners do. We definitely take that chance. And so I'm going to have the protection covers. Excellent option during these warm months. And shade cloth is definitely a option if you're concerned about the heat. Let me add some water. Provide consistent moisture, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. The last thing we want to do is drown our babies. More headings and parsley. And I've got some things from the hydroponic system as well that I think I'm gonna plant here. So I'm gonna hold off there. Let's top off this one here. This is a good time to talk about pest and disease control. These pests do not care about you or your feelings, so you have to monitor them closely for common pests like aphids, those doggone cabbage worms, those slugs. Utilize organic pest control methods such as hand picking, which is one of my favorite methods. Also neem oil, use row covers. I'm definitely using covers this season. And if you absolutely have to, if it gets too bad, BT spray if needed. Start planting now in August. Following these tips, you can successfully grow a thriving fall garden. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.